Hi. Hi. Down.
Going down.
Are people in the other room?
Yeah. Is everybody ready? Because the boy's coming down.
What do you mean, just about? You got 3 seconds.
Dad's not in here. Where's Grandpa?
Emma.
Where's Grandpa?
He's probably getting wood. That's my guess.
Oh, where's Grandpa?
Emma.
Let's play with your car.
I think Grandpa went to get the wood. There's the rock.
Turn that off.
Yes, Grandpa.
Whoa.
Okay. Want to go in?
Are we ready?
Ooh.
Hot.
Ooh. Wow. That's not even the wow part, little boy.
Wow. Turn those lights
Yeah,
on.
hot. Hot.
Hot fire.
Ooh. Ooh. Did you say woof woof? That's not a woof woof.
Wow, no.
It's a mau mau. Okay. Anders is done. Everyone else can take stuff now.
Oh.
Oh, that's very nice.
So nice.
Can you give the mama a kiss?
Yeah. Oh, nice. So soft. So soft.
But it's fierce.
Rawr.
Just standing on Earth.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now you need to open something? Is that what you're
Oh,
saying?
now we have to do our stockings.
Yeah. Which one?
Wait.
Oh,
Wait,
I
that's
don't
for
think that's
Granny.
even yours.
Yeah.
Here, Anders.
Over
She'll
here.
probably let you open it later.
We have another department. Here.
Oh, but that's hot. I can't go to the hot.
Yeah, you can. Mr. Anders.
Where
Hey, do you
should
see
we
a baby?
do this? Where would you like to do this?
On the floor.
On the floor?
No?
Oh, he doesn't like the head sticking out?
It's a baby doll. I'll show you.
Baby. This is for Dada?
It's a little baby doll.
Yeah.
It's for
It's
you.
a baby.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, you have to be more careful with babies.
Should we put the baby with the leopard?
Oh, that's also a bad idea, Mommy. Who puts
No.
babies with leopards?
Put him in your cup holder.
Okay, we're going to distribute some more of these.
How's that?
This one is for Mama.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. I think Anders is happy he doesn't need any more presents.
No, I think he's perfectly happy.
Yeah,